Hey everybody, Alan here, Window Kare Cleaning Services. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Tucker Sidekick Trad pole. Now, the Tucker Sidekick just isn't a window cleaning tool. The Acme tip allows you to use any tool of your choice. Simply remove the wooden pole tip and add the tool of your choice. Today, we are going to clean some gutters with the Gutter Hawg. It's a great two-in-one tool. Now, how does the Gutter Hawg work? You simply extend the pole to your desired length. Using the scoop, you pull the debris towards you until it gets underneath the gutter hanger. Now, once under the hanger, you can take the hook and pull it through. Now, the less moves you have to make with your ladder, the better. Before I got this tool, I was moving my ladder constantly and scooping out all the debris with my hands. Now with this tool, I can reach from 6 feet on either end, then move my ladder, which is gonna make my day go quicker, and I'm gonna be less tired at the end of the day. Now, as you saw in the rest of the video, there was a lot of debris in those gutters. They've probably never been cleaned before. This tool worked amazing. Now, if you want to learn more about this tool, you can check out the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.